Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session we are going to configure this lab. We want to configure VLAN, that stands for Virtual Local Area Network. If it's new to you, it's one of the switch features, and the idea of creating VLAN is to create or separate one local area network we have into smaller local area networks. It's not physically, but it's logically. You might think of why creating many small local area networks from one LAN. So the idea of creating that has uh, many benefits for creating that. For instances, or for example, one of those benefits can be like you will have small broadcast domain, you will have good QoS, quality of services, as well as management and security. Let's go to do it practically. So this is the lab, and we are going to configure that. So before I go to configure, I want to just come to this PC number 10. I want to assign an IP for this. It's 192.168.200.10 from this range of IP. For this one, it's almost 10. Let's go to see if it's pinging that. Ping 192.168.110. You will notice that is the range of IP we used for this PC. It was 200. So remember that as long as the devices are in the same range of IP in the same VLAN, they can ping, they can get connection, and different VLANs should have different IP addresses. Actually, these pieces are in one switch, and if I give for that range, then which is 20, it should be able to ping this one. Ping 192.168.100.10. Yes, it's pinging. So you have noticed the difference that if there is different range of IP, different VLAN, they cannot ping another PCs while they are in the same VLAN. They can. What I want to do first, I want to just go to the switch. I want to say configure terminal hostname switch -1 -az tech. For the switch, I want to give password for console line, console 0, password, any password you want, like the next there. Yes, there are two ways for creating VLANs. First, I want to create VLAN 100 for that one. Name, I want to say PC. This is for HR and the QL branch. That's created. I want to go to this interface, which is 0-2 for PC12. Interface fast 0-2, switch port mode, access, switch port access, VLAN 100. It's port of VLAN 100, this port PC12. And now if I want to ping, it will not ping. Let's come this time from this one. Actually, they have the same IP range. Ping 192.168.100.20. Because by default, this PC number, this PC is in VLAN 1 and this is in VLAN 100. Let's make that PC also part of the VLAN. Then I want to go to exit. Configure terminal interface for this one, this time fast03. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 100. Exit. They have the same IP range. They are in the same VLANs. Now they can just wait because this port is not up. It takes 30 seconds. Yes, the port is up. It's ready. They have same IP range. They're in the same VLANs. Let's come to this ports. This PC10 and PC13 should be in VLAN 200 and the IP range is different as well. Let's go to make it port of VLAN 200. Interface 04 fast 04. I want to recommend you that the first way of creating VLAN is better, but you can error create this way as well. Switch port mode access for that port and switch port access VLAN 200. It says that access VLAN does not exist, but we're creating VLAN 200 for you. And this time for this one, 05. Interface fast 0-5. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 200. Exit. That's all from this one. Let's come to make this PC port of VLAN 100 as well. It should come to the switch. CLI. Now enable configure terminal. Hostname is switch 2. EasyTech. Interface fast 0-2. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 100. It doesn't exist. That was not created, and now we are creating VLAN 100 for you. Let's ping its port of that VLAN and give an IP 192.168.100.30. This one. Let's ping 192.168.100.10. It's not pinging because trunk is not activated between these two switches. But we will do it later. Let's go to make PC 15. Interface fast 0-3. I think it's 0-3. switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 200. We didn't create it, will be the same. But no, this time I want to create this one differently. I want to say that interface fast 0-3. First, I want to create a VLAN 200. Name for that one should be PC voice and AKL, anything you want. Now go to interface, exit from here and go to interface fast 0-3, switch port mode access, switch port access, VLAN 200, export of VLAN 200. We want to configure trunk as well. Go to interface fast 0-1, switch port mode trunk. Because this is a layer 3 device, layer 3 switch, and you can't directly say switch port mode trunk. That's for switch layer 2. You could either say that switch port trunk encapsulation.iq, then switch port mode trunk. Yes, sure interface trunk. Yes, trunk hits negotiating is on. This is the encapsulation that's using trunking. Status is trunking. Support of native VLAN 1, and this is the port we activated trunk for this one. Let's activate trunk for this side as well. I want to say that interface fast 0-1, switch port mode trunk. This is different to that one. Exit, and this time let's ping that one. Ping this time. It takes a little bit time because this is not up. Yes, that's up now. Yes, you can see it works. For filtering, you can go to this port. I want to just show you one thing for filtering the port. Like you can go to interface fast 0-4. Once I am there, I want to say that switch port for blocking, okay, that port, switch port trunk allowed VLAN remove. That was VLAN 200. Exit. Come to this PC. Let me to ping this one. The IP of this one is 192.168.200.20. 192.168.200.30. Ping 192.168.200.20. It's pinging because we activated trunk. But if I do ping that one, this one that we blocked, which is 210, it will not ping 192.168.200.10. Now from this one, because it said that was port 04. Yes. Yes. it can't go out from this port because we blocked. And if you want to unblock this port, you should go to interface fast 0-4. Then this time we want to say switch port trunk allowed all. No, I just want to say it was allowed VLAN 200. Exit. Wait a sec, because it's not green yet. Let's go to here, and I want to say that ping 192.168.200.1.30, even to this one. It's not activated. I should wait. Yes, it should work now. Yes. And thank you so much for watching this session. See you for the next session. Have a good time.